In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change playback speed of your YouTube videos. So if you like your videos to play either much faster or much slower, you can go ahead and increase this or reduce this time. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so I have here this video that is playing, and if I play it, this is the normal speed. However, I like this video to play 2 times faster. To do that, go ahead and click on this gear button once you have opened the video, and you see we have playback speed. So currently it is set to normal, and here if you click on this, you can either reduce this to a much lower speed, which means the video will play for much longer time, or you can make it play much faster. For instance, you can make it play maybe 1.5 times faster, and if you click on that, now if you go ahead and play it, you can see now it will move much faster, and if you listen to the audio, it will be even much faster.
Tested in the crucible of battle, and where the will of God was enacted through the hands of...
And that is because I've made it play 1.5 times faster than the normal speed. Should you want to take it back to normal, go ahead and again just select normal here. Alternatively, you can also change the speed by moving this bar back and forth like this, and then try play your speed, and you'll see the speed that you are using will be indicated here. So that's how you can change playback speed on YouTube videos. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.